Hi and welcome to Detailing World. In this video we're going to take a look at how to clean your alloy wheels in 5 easy steps. So yeah, if this is your first time on the channel, my name's Matt, and today, as I said, we're going to be looking at how to clean your alloy wheels in 5 easy steps. And before we go ahead and do that, there's just a few things you need, and that is a couple of wheel brushes, microfiber mitt or microfiber cloths, and just basically a wheel cleaner and a bucket of clean water to rinse the wheels with. A hose pipe or a pressure washer is also handy, and possibly some tyre dressing if you want that at the end. So yeah, before we crack on, I'm just going to talk about some of the wheel brushes. I've got some in the garage here. So these three here, these are the regular type of wheel brushes that you will get quite often. The yellow one is the generic sort of bog standard. You can pick that up from most detailing suppliers, but you can also get it, you know, from your supermarkets and things like that. The blue one is the Easy Detail detailing brush. It's quite a popular one and has been around for many years. It's much softer than the bog standard yellow one. You'll also see some blue tape. The rubber ends do tend to pop off these. And that red and green one there, that's the Viking. I've not seen people use this for some time. That's good if you've got really, you know, multi-spoke wheels. So that's the first set of wheel brushes, the ones I used to use a lot. I've got black wheels now, and I think these seem to scratch the paint easy. So the next set of wheel brushes are these. These are wheel woolies, and these are basically lamb's wool or microfiber on the end. In this case, I've got the lamb's wool versions, and they come in 3 different sizes if you buy them as a set. This big one here is what you would use to clean the barrels with. The smaller one, well, the 2 smaller ones, both of them really, they're to get between the spokes, depending on the size of your wheels and how many spokes and whatnot. And then you're looking at these kind of brushes. Now, this blue handled one here, that's what I've used for a few years now, just to clean the tyres. And then you've also got these kind of brushes as well, which are good for cleaning the faces. And people also use these to clean the tyres as well. I've never tried that myself. And again, a couple of different sizes, depending, again, how fiddly the wheels are that you're cleaning. And of course, as I say, you can use a microfiber mitt, lamb's wool mitt, microfiber towel if you wish to clean them as well. But typically speaking, you would use wheel brushes, and as I say, you would need a wheel cleaner as well. If you maintain the wheels on a regular basis, car shampoo is just absolutely fine. All-purpose cleaner is also handy for cleaning around the tyres. So yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of products and brushes and all of that. Before we go any further, if you could give this video a thumbs up, that'd be appreciated. I'll also put a link up here as well to some other recent how-to videos for beginners, and if you could subscribe to this channel for future notifications, that'd be great. So yeah, we'll jump into this now. so that's it then. They are the 5 basics of cleaning your wheels safely. And so that is rinse, wash, decontaminate, dry, and then protect the wheels and the tyres as well. As I said earlier in the video, I'll put a link up here and at the end, and also in the description below, of other basic tutorial guides I've done, particularly if you're a beginner and just getting into detailing. They are quite useful. I will be doing some more guides, and I'll also do some advanced ones, so I do intend on taking the front wheels off in particular. I'll also take the back ones off anyway, even though I've just done that one. I'll do some advanced guides as well, and we'll look at machine polishing in the future, probably clay barring. But yeah, just let us know in the comments below what other of these kind of how-to guides you like to see. If you like this format as well, where I just do a bit of an introduction and then let the video speak for itself, or would you rather I spoke the whole way through and did a bit more of a guide on it? Yeah, just let me know below. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, then make sure you smash that like button. If you're not already, then please consider subscribing as well. It doesn't cost you a thing and it really does help us out. So yeah, that's it now, and I'll see you on the next one.